We've just acquired this lovely Mondeo Titanium X diesel estate. It's in silver with the anthracite alloy wheels. It's been kept in lovely condition. It's got parking sensors. Got the boot liner protector, bumper protector, tannoy covers there. Lovely leather seats with heated seats. Bluetooth connection, satellite navigation, 6-speed gearbox, cruise control, auto headlights, electric windows, mirrors. It is full spec, top of the range. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.